Yeah, the hood's on inside.
Battery inside too?
No, I don't think. The battery's on. Come on in, take a look, bye.
How long has she sat here for? Is this the battery over here?
Set for a little while.
Battery's over here.
Yes, it probably is. And it's hard to get at. Or it was. Just that don't break the door, that's all. It kind of has to. There you go.
So there is a battery in there.
Right. Run the ground on her. I'll go check the gas.
Well, geez, was this battery in it when you got it? I don't see no sparky sparks. He's just been out here quite a while. That's probably deader than a hornet.
Deader than a hornet.
The hornet in my truck. What do you think, Jolene? You and Chad not going camping?
This, I don't know how you put gas in it. Like this is gas. I wonder if that'll fall if I take that off. Probably.
All right, there's the.
But to get gas in, I gotta get in there, man.
She's quite a mobile. Oh, look at the soup. You can't let that go if you sell it. You can't. It's got a super trucker thing in there.
Hey, do you think they would have
All right,
given me a hole here at least?
Oh,
Here we go. Now we see where gas is at.
tranny fluid looks good.
Are you serious?
Where's the 318 must be.
Now,
Power steering fluid looks good.
thought somebody was looking at me.
Where is the oil
I'm gonna get that.
on this thing? I thought they were in the front.
Ah, I see.
I know it's looking at me here somewhere. Oh, it probably goes out to the front of the hood right there.
Ouch.
That's the one. Do you still have that little vacuum cleaner thingy, Chad?
What's that, buddy?
That little vacuum cleaner electric thing? Because a mousey mouse has been hanging out on top of the
Got a mouse house?
choke flapper there.
Are you serious?
I wouldn't mind sucking that off there before we whirled it over.
Yeah. I'll run up and get it.
Yeah, we'll suck that off there before.
Okay. I want to see the mouse house.
Not a big mouse house, just got some stuff there. You'd rather not suck it down through it. We don't have to.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to pop that front and see if I can check the engine oil.
I've got the gas. I'm going to go get that.
Out of the battery.
I got that gas jug figured out.
So where is the old hood latch thinger here? That there looks like it. Okay, that pivots on a hinge there. Where's the latch? Oh, look at that little thing. We're trying to get learned on this, Joe, and we don't even know. I don't even know. Oh, there we go. There's the oil right there. Mm. Yeah. This is dual rag cap edition. Ah, there's fuel lines. Return. Trying to figure that. That was quite a neat rig. Oh, she even got some eyelids on her. Okay, this battery in here is dead. they long enough to reach to the ground? This battery here is going to be used for everything. Well, the top's worried on it soon.
See the visors on this thing, Nate?
What's that?
You see the visors on this thing?
On the headlights?
No, on the window.
Oh no, I didn't notice that one yet.
Oh, they're badass. Quite a visor.
Quite a visor for the visor that it is.
What'd you put in, a good battery?
Yep. Well, that other one was stone dead. This battery here
Limited
is the
edition. I believe it.
This here is the mobile, like unit battery. This one. She didn't
Any
snap.
rust in the headlight?
What's that?
That went down the carburetor.
Oh, she'll suck her in.
I couldn't get it all, that's for sure.
Did you figure out how to get gas in it, or if it had gas in it?
No, I'm going to dump that in it now. I just want to pull that breather off there for a second. It did get dirt down in it.
Oh, wow.
I can't help that. You know what's that's going to be called lunch.
Oh, it's an old Dodge motor. She'll take her in.
It's called lunch, Nate.
Them things will take it in.
Lunch.
All right, why don't you just take that right off out of the way then?
Your lunch.
Let's see, do we got? Oh, she got the old Dodge one. Okay, I'm gonna stick that booster on, give it a little bit more. Prime. Do 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 do. Oh, why would it be up in there so far? Do 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 do.
Baby, we going camp this afternoon? All right.
I think we should go down to the beach. Pull the yawning out at the beach. Have a little barbecue. Maybe a little cold beverage.
Oh. So, I don't know. Got gas?
Well, that started hard.
Keep her running, old buddy. You want to drive this bit? We'll get geared up. We'll drive right front. What's that, sweetheart? Okay, I'll get that.
We got that booster on it out there. What do you think? Fiend gonna go for a drive? guys weren't saying how good it actually is, Joe. That's what you were doing.
It's pretty decent for sitting here for quite a while. Isn't it, what? Pretty decent for sitting here for a while. Well, Miles will grab this stuff, put it right in the bus, and go with us. Come on, Fiend. Come on, Joeyne.
What do
you drive?
I'm driving?
Yeah. Come on. Come on, Fiend.
I think you didn't tell us the whole story on this, did you?
Come on. Get in there.
Does it even... Are the brakes stuck? Have you even
No, it's got brakes, I'm pretty sure. A little bit of brakes. Don't get caught up in the fan or anything. You want to sit down, Joeyne, or... And he's got to get prepared. Oh, we're going to shut the door. Hopefully she's not stuck at the brakes. Skipping, ain't it? A little bit.
Manifolds are leaking too.
What's that?
It's a 318. They all sound the same.
Even the starter.
I think we're going to the beach, aren't we?
Yeah. We should pass her into Walmart. Now you just stuck them on. Now you got her.
Nope, it's the pedal stick. That's all. They work, Joe. Where are we going?
Just pull her up front up here. I'd like to see you just take a few minutes to go over that engine a little bit and just see what is it skipping at all? It sounds like to me like it's skipping.
Well, manifolds are leaking down.
She got no neutral switch, is it?
Pull that up a little bit. The brakes still work, though.
Yeah.
Oh, she's a honey.
Well, she is a honey. Oh, what did you lock the damn door from outside?
Are we locked in?
Are you serious?
See, I think it's just a manifolds, Chad. It's not skipping.
Not skipping?
It's just a manifold.
You're all shit. Or is that motor running nice? It's just the manifold that's ticking.
Just manifolds or
wow.
manifolds or Y pipe down there, yeah. How old is the gas that was in it beforehand? Are you serious? You locked us in?
When does Doug get back?
When does Doug get back? There's battery cables. Well, this thing's pretty...
I'm not sure what to say. I know. No, the handle flipped over, I think. The handle flipped over. Yes.
What's this window here look like? Can we one of us chubby fellers fit in? Hey, this window opens.
I probably can.
Is that pizza, Chad?
I was going to jump out the door. Mice are probably going to be the worst.
Why is the key locked? The handle's locked.
The flapper isn't over on it? Or
No.
is it just locked?
No, it's locked, so it must be locked from in. How do you lock it, Chaddles? There! Rookie.
Really?
Joe, you had us, Joe.
There should be a spring on that so it doesn't come back and hit the... Okay, there's what the thing... It's that piece. The old thing like needs
It's
work,
a shorty
obviously.
one, though, isn't it?
It's the best looking one, right?
It's got the yawning on it.
Don't you think?
Somebody should have that down Houston's beach for the weekend.
Like, it's pretty cool. Like, it's clean them up
What's
a
the
little bit.
plan with it, anyways?
What's the plan with it? I just wondered if we could get it going, get it pulled out. That was the plan with it. Probably going to sell it. You heard it from here. We're going to sell this
It's got
bad
pretty
boy.
cool interior,
Joey's
man.
going to take a walk around it. The gas tank is in there. It's just a gas jug. That obviously needs to be fixed. It does have brakes.
Yeah, the brakes are working. Just
But
stick it.
they need a little bit of work. The brakes are working. I thought the engine was skipping in this, but Nathan doesn't think it's skipping.
It's exhaust, I'd
Just
say.
the exhaust,
Get some
probably.
good fuel put through it, some seafoam and stuff.
And it looks exactly how it looks.
Oh, I see the visors now.
But quite a visor,
I
right?
like the horns on it. Look at the horns on the.
But
He's a Boss Hogmobile.
to me, I see somebody taking the time and doing the suspension in it. If a person could, take that and slam it on the ground, like it'd be quite
If it
something.
was bagged, that'd be something, wouldn't
Yeah,
it?
have that slammed on the ground, bag, that'd be cooler than dang it. And it's rough, but
I think you should have it right on the front lawn.
what's that now?
Should have it right on the front lawn.
I think we're gonna. We just gotta. What are we gonna do? Probably clean the wheels up a little bit.
So what's in here?
That's the bad. I don't know what's in there, to be honest with you. All the doors seem to be quite roached.
Well,
That one's.
oh,
I don't know if they screwed
screws
that.
in it. I thought that was the.
What is that? Just probably a storage container
Well,
for.
it could be under. Is there a sink in it for the water tank?
There used to be, maybe.
There's where the water screws on.
Yeah, there's none of that stuff in it anymore. It's just a sleeper. You go somewhere and, if you want to go to a party or if you want to go to anywhere.
Pine Acres RV.
What's that?
Car show. Haul
Yeah.
your vehicle to it. It's got a cool interior though in the back. I do like that.
Yeah. Nate said it's got a cool interior.
Yeah, got the floor, got the coach,
Not
got the fireplace in it, Joe. That you can't let that cab over trucker picture go though, can you?
Oh, this one over here.
Yeah. Come on, Fiend. Come on, girl.
Motor's just starting to get warmed up. All right.
What you doing, Fiend? Huh? What you doing? What you doing, girl? Oh, I see. They put metal on. That looks neat. Look at the
That's
ceiling.
not bad, eh?
Yeah.
This is another bed up here. This folds down, makes into another bed.
Fiend, would you like to go to the beach for a drive?
It does obviously need work, but
Oh, it's a wicked starting point.
it's a good start.
And it moves.
Yeah, and it moves. Nathan said, and it moves.
Seam sealing we got.
What?
We got seam sealing.
Yeah, it's stuff that Riley give us with the truck.
We'll put the gas back in. Revive and drive.
I'll take the battery thing, Nate. Just put it in here.